guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So today's video is on Stronger, and if you guys are not familiar with the brand Stronger, they are an activewear company. So they sell a lot of bras, sports bras that is, and leggings and shorts. So they have actually sent me this package right here, and I'm very excited to unpackage it and give my first impressions and review of the products. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. I've cut the base of this open, and inside we have three things. We have a box that I believe has a lock in it. This is the bra top and these are the leggings. I love the packaging of this. I like how this is a reusable bag. However, this one is just plastic, which I'm pretty sure you would end up tossing, not really necessarily reusing. It is recyclable, which is great. I just wish that the packaging was consistent. Maybe they just do that for stocking purposes to know the difference between what's what and it's easier to grab out of stock. I love the white and gold, very clean. The first thing that I'm going to open is the Stronger box right here. This has a lock in it. There's no gym right now because we're in lockdown. Your stuff is safe with me. Inside it just gives you instructions on how to use the lock. So I'm just going to show you what the lock looks like. It says Stronger on it. I'm just opening that right here. Super easy to use, like any other typical lock really. I'll save that for whenever the time comes to use a lock again. This style is called Rainy Day. It's in an extra small. Wow, I love how thick this material is. I love the label, super consistent with the white and gold. On the inside, I'm noticing that there is a spot where you can put probably like padding if you need it, if you want that extra support. It says Stronger on the band. I really love this color. I do not have any workout gear in this, so this is a nice change. A lot of my workout stuff is either black or pink. And then the next thing is the leggings. Also the very same color. On here, this label, it says, imagine Stronger as a female superhero. She chooses to affirm her uniqueness, not shrink from it. She chooses to escape ordinary. By being strong and self-sufficient, she becomes a hero and an inspiration to others. She dares to step into the spotlight and to put herself first. And in doing so, she inspires others to do the same. I really like this because I definitely could resonate with that. These are also in a size extra small, also says Stronger. And then it has their famous stripe on the leg. Let's go try these on and see if I like them or not. This is the set on. I think it's super flattering. I love the color. I love how high-waisted the leggings are. It is covering what it needs to cover, so that is wonderful. I love the length on these as well. They fit perfectly where my ankles are. I find that a lot of leggings that I do wear are too long and then they end up all scrunched at the base here, and I don't like that look. So this one looks more seamless. The top was a little bit of a struggle to put on, but that's just because I have broad shoulders. So for me, just putting on sports bras in general is kind of a struggle because of my shoulders. I do have a bra on under. It's really comfortable. For me, this is not squat proof. This is definitely more along the lines of like lounge if you're just walking and doing more casual things, not super intense workouts. I do love this. I love how comfortable this is. It's super flattering. The cut's really nice. The color, I think I'm obsessed with the color. That is the Stronger on the band of the pants. It was kind of hard to show with the lighting. And this is just the tank top and then the Stronger at the side of it. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to Stronger for gifting me with these lovely items. I'm really grateful. And if you guys are interested in purchasing these items for yourself or checking out other items on their website, I do have a coupon code where you can get discounts. So it's Joaquin 20. I have it right up here on the screen for you guys to use. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you are aware of when I upload my next video. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!